Hi friends, it's Melissa Morrow with Vintage Bee Design, and today we're just going to jump right into it. I've got some quick and easy projects using some dollar store items and then also items that I bought from Temu, the online website. I'm going to be using Redesign with Prima's brand new French labels and vintage labels that just came out last week. I will leave a link in the description. If you've ever used transfers, you know just how easy they are to work with and what amazing results you get in basically almost no effort. This next project is another one from the Dollar Tree that I paid $1.25, and I'm going to combine a couple of different transfers from a couple of different sets, but I definitely love the new colors of these vintage labels and how they work so nicely on some of these dark surfaces. The taupey look on this transfer is from Vintage Labels 2, and then the pinker one is Vintage Labels 3. I love having these options, and you'll see how pretty they look together here in a moment. These projects are so fast and easy, I'm just going to save the reveal for the end. For this Dollar Tree transformation, it was just this plain wooden house. I'm going to use some of the Powerful Words leftovers that I have and the new Desert Rose. And what's fun on this one is we have this large floral here, but that's not going to work on my piece. So I'm basically just sort of putting a line, scoring it where I can, where I want it, and then I'm going to cut it in half. And you'll see how I'm able to use this to my advantage, almost as if I had two transfers. Sometimes when you only have large transfers, but you need it on a smaller surface, you hesitate to cut them up. But I'm going to show you how cutting them up is actually sometimes the right answer.
On the radio, losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough.
And here's a quick reminder that you can follow us on all social media at Vintage Bee Design. And we have a community in Facebook called Creating the Hive or Creative Con Vintage Bee. And I've just started this month a new coaching group. Membership is only $20 a month. There's lots of discounts. Links are in the description below. Let's get back to crafting. I have this pretty large bag that I thought I would try some products on Temu that I thought would make great pieces that we could use transfers and some paint and decor and make them into great Valentine's / Mother's Day / gifts for females. This is a little pretty one. I really like the color. It is vinyl, I'm sure. And then, so it's got like a little place for your earrings and then for your jewelry, right? So my thoughts were I could embellish these pretty nicely and then sell them in my booth and at market. And I thought they would make really nice gifts. I have done many embellished train cases and jewelry boxes, and they do very well. So I thought I'd see how some of these smaller ones might do. But nope, this to me is definitely still more feminine. It's black, but I think with some roses or something on it, this could still be really pretty, very French. So this one looks like it's the same as the last one, but I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's got some pretty gold sparkles in it. For these dark cases, I'm going to use the taupey Vintage Labels 2 to try to bring out some light on this. I think that'll be a good contrast. On almost all of these boxes, I will be wrapping around flowers. So much like I did with the house, I'll be cutting up full-size flowers and then positioning them, but using the entire flower on the piece, just cut up in a variety of formats. So I had these bunnies in my stash from last year and they didn't sell. I had them for sale for $15, and part of it, I didn't really like the bow that they had come with, and now I decided to add just little transfers to their bellies to kind of modernize them a little bit, give them a little bit more of my flair. And I will say that once these were done and I put a cute little bow, I put 2 of them in my booth, and the first day they were in the booth, they sold for $16.95. So yeah, apparently adding the little transfer was and a cute little bow was all that was needed. It did have a bow on it before, I just changed the fabric.
Thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own. But baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own. But baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time.
And here's that final reveal that I mentioned. All of the projects are going to be in this little lineup. These were just quick and easy transfer projects. It's the kind of stuff that I love to do. And I really didn't take a ton of video on doing these because honestly, they're just so easy. But I did want to give you ideas on how you can use some of these transfers, especially with so many opportunities for gift season right now that are coming up. Mother's Day, birthdays, Valentine's Day, all of these. And they're just fun, quick, easy ideas that sell really well in the booth. Like I said, the bunnies have already sold. So I have more that I'll probably zhuzh up and stick in there as well and maybe make some additional ones. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you again next week.